This Sunjoe SCARIFIER and Dethatcher is my new favorite lawn tool. It's really easy to put together, and it comes with the two different attachments, the SCARIFIER and the Dethatcher, which is this one. It also comes with a collection bag, but it fills up so fast that it's pretty much pointless. We don't use it. Don't forget in the box to reach down in all the little nooks and crannies and find all the pieces that you need so that nothing gets thrown out on accident. The only assembly that you need to do is attach the handle. There are a couple different parts here. You're going to attach the first one to the actual machine and then two more segments after that. If you're using power tools, just make sure that you don't over tighten them. When you're attaching the final handle, you want to make sure that the cords are going the right way and are not getting tangled up at all. This lever is how you raise and lower the machine, which is great for transport. There is a cord clip, which is really helpful for your extension cord. And then to turn it on, you push this safety button before pulling the lever. You do need to hold that down the whole time that you are using the machine. And here it is. Again, we don't have the collection bag on the back. It would fill up every probably 2 passes that we did. For scarifying, we did a crosshatch pattern going each direction. And at the end, used a lawnmower to suck it all up.